Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make grape juice. We used to step on it with our feet or with our hands, but we used to get lazy and it's yucky. So we use it with the blender. So let's start. So as you do it, you should ask an adult for help. Because don't just do it. You tell your dad and mom first if you want to do this. We're finished. Now we're going to put it in the blender. Let's do it. Now let's put the top. We're gonna turn on this and then this because we don't want to break the pits, you know.